Private member resolution haibasi leiriba House rule number 89 of rule of procedures amadi conduct of business ki matungina minimum 12 days ta state assembly gi adugumba secretary the address to goda wone hariba letter si makhuna tawribasidi not even 9 days sudriba aduga target kamaina consider tawduri mo hariba kanu application do adu target madugi leiriba minimum criteria adu sudreba sineba praja da congress na utchai ba praja gi sympathy gain tongna mo hotna bada praja da utchai ba sa senior leader Congress ki MLA orebo honorable MLA Kiranjina tawre ha se mana ngang ki voice na taabane 30 da ho ki assembly do 30 or 31 subject to correction ko adu da ho ki do adu da tawdana day 2 da tawraga hauji yaraktar kanda government sina tawbani government sina haibani state assembly ki secretary sibu government ki makha da leibra government ekta haibe yabra assembly ki speaker haibe se kanano natraga magi power se kari no si Congress ki legislature sing khangdra
BJP ki mari lena ba spokesperson oibo khotpa kana kanano karena topa channel singda mitrain thoini pege dabani ase house ki opposition da lady bahani ki chimi so waramban chai tramnga waramban se khangda basidi adu machum mi chum de ga ni comment to base masidi privilege chokninga gi maram oya kana kana no discussion na topa channel dara mi chingdu personally pallaroi mitrain thoini notice pege dabni na haya da sida rule the very much clear 5 days at least 5 days pege dabni hairiba 7 days oire asigumba aranba assembly gi maramda natraga court ke maramda oidaba proceeding ama adu tawgadamni na hajilagadi contempt of court natraga na assembly na privilege chaduri na hojiki hairiba sida private member bill private member resolution ama chap chana mi mangani gi mamangda notice pigidamni haibisi chap chana pire 2nd of August 2024 da pire adu khanli sina tang mapan dani lang na hani Friday da to gudamni adu 7 days et ta pi hra adu ga kai man talai tre hairi wadu da prime minister unna ba appointment lo si hai bi su na te ba mo gi londa du kari hai chap chabo voting da having this house resolved unanimously at Drafting Article 74 of the Constitution of India, where the Prime Minister of India is the head of the Council of Ministers of the Union Government, the members of the Manipur Legislative Assembly felt the urgency for having a thorough discussion with the Prime Minister. Thorough discussion with the Prime Minister kanana filtoriba by the members of this August gathering. Private member resolution nama pukal kuda. Akoi ge sai na ochil na mayam akoi commentator singi marakta su. aina hana khangye haiba nate aisu aina khangda ba yara su leiba ya adu da rahna miyam da mislead tawbadi chumde abako
105 si mukha da di private member resolution oina ai abhi to pathok chal ke very relevant kana debate sara na privilege so pe am yaw ka dore ko
ma pa lage aisu pa ge
105 was a member other than a minister who wishes to move a resolution shall get not less than 5 days. Secretary of his intention and shall together with notice submit a copy of the resolution which he wishes to move it. Other government
give 3 days.
Say 5 days. Sida quick no record.
Private member ke.
Do not. The government gi resolution 1060 however. If the government desires to move a resolution,
Minister Amana,
they shall give 3 days notice and shall along with it supply a copy of the resolution to the secretary who shall have its copies sent to the members within 48 hours of its receipt.